these songwriters and the round shows are, we purposely keep them raw and fresh. We don't rehearse at all. We rehearse our own songs, but we don't rehearse together. We really don't. I've got a song list there, but I don't necessarily stick to it. I know Yarrow's got one too, and of course, we don't even like to give our guests too much notice of what we're doing either, because we want to surprise them as well. And so, welcome to the stage.
Thank you. It feels special to be a part of the first one.
Well, really
cool.
It's so we're gonna grow and change these things as we go along, and a couple of little quick shout outs while I'm waiting for Pam. Is Pam still working in here?
Yeah.
A shout out to the New South Wales government. That might sound really strange. But this particular show, this Songwriters in the Round show, the music from the Portrait of Life, is actually being supported by New South Wales government. So we've got part funding through to about Christmas to help us tour it around. So, which is really cool because we can then afford to bring people like Yarrow on board to do a few bits and pieces. So, am I? Oh!
I'm sorry.
And for my last song.
Everybody in the back, if you would like a seat, there's seats up the front. Just like come on through to the front so we can get this done.
It is a little squeezy and tight. Actually, the ones at the front have got the best leg room. So.
Actually, yeah, the ones at the front do have the best leg room. No, we're good. We're shy. Okay, they're shy.
Hey, Ali, can you just hold my drink for me while I'm playing? Is that all right?
This is perfect.
See, no, I've got one here, man. I blushed. Sing out when you're Did I look old?
Ladies and gentlemen, the contemporary dance section of the evening has begun.
I'm actually 64 in a couple of weeks, so
this is yoga.
I'm starting to feel every yogurt or yoga.
Yoga and yogurt. Don't you need both of them at your age?
Oh.
Right? I feel like we need both. It's okay. So Jeff and I basically just give each other shit, and that's how we tour everywhere.
We've actually got a prank war going on at the moment at the Brush Grove Hotel. So anybody who's coming to the Brushy tomorrow night.
Yeah, if you want Jeff's phone number for a good time, just check out the bathroom wall.
It's actually my turn tomorrow night, and I'll have something really special planned. So, yeah, what are you doing now?
I am plugging in my guitar because it's necessary.
Okay, I think you're the only one that's not plugged in.
Of course.
And just because you're so late, you can lead off.
Great.
So we've done all the preliminaries, we've told everybody what's going on.
Have you?
Hang on, I'm just going to...
What did I just press?
I have no idea what you just pressed.
I don't know what I just pressed.
Did you press the tuner?
Oh, do you know what it is?
Oh.
I retuned my guitar at the charity event because you don't know how to play the B flat. I did that for you, man. I took one for the
Pam is the only artist in the world that lets her guitar go flat over a series of shows to make it easier on her voice, and then I can't play harp with it.
Yeah, he gets excited about the songs that I play. He's like, yeah, I want to play to this one. And he gets up there and he grabs all of his harmonicas and it sounds awful. And then he questions life and the universe. And I'm like, no, it was me. I've changed the tuning on you. But that means that I'm going to be playing it E today, which is concert pitch.
Yeah, the tuning, good. Are you doing that Sarah McLachlan song? Can I ask that?
Which one's that?
Arms of an Angel. Are you doing that?
Oh,
I mean, I could try. I only played it that one time.
I played harp. It was really nice.
But I made it up.
I already made the harp bits up too. So, all right. Anyway, I'm going to head over to Pam to do the first song.
Alright, okay, so I have been challenging myself to bring more of my culture into my work. So I'm going to play you something from home. And this one speaks about love. And how we all come from the wellspring of the same love and the same power. Why do I owe the
Now, for those standing out there are some chairs in here. I think we've got 4 or 5 or 7
Yeah,
or
if you
8.
are hanging
Come
out
on, guys.
at the back, please do come sit up the front so we don't feel like we have no friends.
Yeah.
But
I always feel I've got leprosy or something when there's no one sitting in the front row. You know?
it would be really awesome.
Oh, except
Here we go. Come on, come on.
Can we make a rule for Rob?
Yeah, Rob has to behave. Actually, Rob has a radio show coming up and we're really excited about that. Just found about that today. Is this like an OSL exclusive? Was I not supposed to say that?
Not too much, not too much.
Okay, it's a teaser. It's a teaser. Okay, so all local, all of the goodness. Buckley's music group has been a massive supporter of Original Sound Lounge and everything that we've done for music since forever. In fact, I remember when Craig passed.
Yep.
So Craig used to look after me when I came through and toured here before I moved here to live.
Wow.
Ladies, come and sit up the front. Please do. Please do. No. This, I saved these seats for you especially. You've broken the seal. Roger that. Okay. Alright. Like, I can always drag the chairs out the back. But
No,
yeah.
I'm gonna dance.
Oh, you're gonna dance?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold you to that. So, ladies and gentlemen, we did say that the interpretive dance section of the evening was coming up. This is, we've got some volunteers right there. But yeah, Buckley's Music have been a massive supporter of everything that we've been doing since we first came to the area. Anytime it was like Sunday, it's 7 in the morning and I've got to be at a show at 9 and I'm like, I've got no strings, can you help me out? Or do you know what? I've lost all of my guitars just because I don't know where, I can't remember where I played last time.
I'm really shocked.
You're shocked away.
I'm really shocked. The only person I know who loses keys, bank cards, you name it, you lose it.
I know. Well,
If you
no,
can lose
I don't
guitars.
think. Yeah, but if you can lose guitars, but no, there was this one time. I was playing music in Port Macquarie and I met this rad chick and I was like, yeah, we're gonna play music together. And I shit you not, I went home and I woke up with a foreign guitar. It wasn't my guitar. There was like this lump in the blanket, and you know how when you go and you're like, like, do I? And I did, and it was a guitar, and it was a sexy black guitar. I'm not being racist.
No, that's
But
I tried that any day.
it was so cool. It was really cool, and I was like, oh my god. So I had to put it on Facebook. And I was like, do you know? Have you seen this guitar before? Because I don't know what I did last night, but this isn't my guitar. And whoever has my guitar, I've taken yours home by mistake. And I slept with it, so it was like it was in my bed next to me. That's way too. I'm oversharing now.
You are. I think we've kept Yarrow waiting long enough.
We have. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for Yarrow. Come on, hey. Where did you come from today? Cops Harbour.
Not far.
She did the drive. Yeah, it's worth it. Yeah. And what's your style of music?
Oh, a bit of sort of soul, acoustic, folky, pop kind of blend.
Yes. Alright. Take it away.
Oh, is it my turn?
It's your turn. Okay.
Alright, well this is a song, it's funny, I actually wrote songs just for this event. So like, I have songs like, yeah, that I literally, like one I wrote last night. Wow. But this one's, this is the only old one, this one I wrote ages ago, so.
Challenge
To warm up.
Yeah. That's it. In the intermission, we're all going to write a song.
Well, I hadn't been writing for a while, so I thought, okay, they want originals, and okay, I'll write some songs then. And then, yeah, it just sort of happened. So yeah, it's been fun. But isn't a warm up song? This one's an older one. Here goes. So just drink some more and.
Everybody's searching for a way to be alive. Yeah. So many reasons to be lost. You make me high, one of you. One of you tonight, with you is what I'll do. So go on and get ready. We'll go for no one can love me like you. All of you. All of you tonight. With you. What I'll do.
What do you like? No pressure.
And my hood fell
No
off.
pressure on me at all.
I was
Really.
trying to hide behind the hood.
That was beautiful.
And it just falls
Bro,
off.
we need to make a rule like you can't come play our shows if you're gonna make us cry. That's the rule now. And I'm laughing at you because you have to follow that.
Well, you know, I'm just having a look here on this useless list that I wrote, and thinking that the only way to follow that is with something really depressing. So something dark and depressing, which happens to be the first song on the list here. So
Melancholic.
yeah, at best. Sometimes as songwriters we have to, we're faced with a challenge as to whether to write something or not. So I tend to say yes, I'll just write it, and then we just tailor how we deliver it to an audience. So here's what I wrote about a topic which is quite prevalent. It's like a cancer in our society. So it's called Black as Her Heart. Years of drought, crops turn to dirt, apart soil as dry as his thirst. Years of abuse and constant hate, her hidden bruising, as dark as what he drank. Three small crosses where children fell, her tortured soul as empty as a well. God, he's not at home. Oh, so barren and lone. Staggering in one night, storm brewed outside. Smell of cheap perfume, no effort to hide. The kitchen knife tied in her hand, her burning rain as wild as a lake. Stabbing in a frenzy, sick of his life. The blood that flows as red as his eyes. God, he's not at home. Oh, so barren and cold. God, he's not at home. Oh, so barren and low. He ain't no movement, no need to cry. His lifeless body as gray as the sky. Stepping outside, cool rain to start. thought, her stare, as black as her heart. God, he's not at home. Oh, so barren and lone. God, he's not at home. Oh, so barren and lone. God, he's not at home. Oh, so barren and lone. So that's the depressing part of the show over. Actually, just let me check the list. Well, I'm playing banjo in a while. That can be depressing for some people.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? And then again,
Lifeline, it's a great service.
are you okay? I'm playing banjo. Should be an
Friends like banjo.
Oh, is that what you know? I don't know.
How to spot if your friend's okay? Do they own a banjo?
I got 4.
Okay, so what, how are we doing this? Is it dealer goes to the left? Are we going round and round? What are we doing?
No. Your turn again.
Oh, it's my turn again?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, okay, it's my turn again. What have I done? Okay, again, if we ever find guitars that don't get switched on by women with boobs, keep pressing. I either turn the volume button way loud or like way down, or I press the tuner and then there's no sound.
I think that's very sexist because some of us men have some.
I'll take that. That's fair. I'm sorry for being sexist today.
Try bras.
If you have man boobs, bras. Let's just any one of the women in here. Yeah, the manzia. No. Borat came up with that was the mankini, right?
Yeah.
Did that? What do you reckon? Frank knows what I'm talking about. Okay, so we've gone love, happiness, fucking depressing.
Yeah, where are we going?
It sounds like my journey.
Pick us back up.
I'm gonna play a song that I love playing. I wrote it myself. It's called Moved. It's about moving from New Zealand to Australia. So I wrote this song on a midnight train from Wauchope to Sydney. I just finished a show in a place called Far Q. No, that's an Aussie name. They sell t-shirts, I thought it was great. And I went to the station because I was supposed to pick up a guitarist and he never showed. So while I'm sitting there waiting for the midnight train to Sydney to play our next lot of shows, the Ticketmaster opens the gate. No one else there, but the acoustics are insane. And when you got a whiskey in hand and a guitar in the other, you catch a train, and the ticket master looks at you and he goes, "I know just the place for you." Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. very many trains. I'm going to school you on train economy right now. A is first class. B is like, yeah, kind of, sorta. And you keep going down the alphabet until you get to where they put me, which is E. And he did it on purpose. That's what they call the rowdy ones. There was actually nobody else on that train that night. And I was like, yes, did me a solid. Let me get my guitar out and I can play. So this whole song was written to the sound of the train going over the tracks. Of Australia's country helped to shape this song. So I call it Merge because I wrote it on the moon. Well, a piece of peach village time won't get me through the days. Won't get me all the things I want. Give my soul away, yes I know. Australia makes good things. Have you met my husband? He's next door. Yeah. Tattooed Adonis, can't miss him.
And he loves to talk to people.
I'm telling Jeff.
You'll come running in the throat something in a minute.
Will you guys shut up? Let her play.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm going now. Well, this song is something I wrote one of the ones I wrote within the past couple of weeks before coming here. And I realised, because I've actually been doing a lot of covers lately, and I realised that there's like 3 or 4 songs in all of that all have these same 3 chords, and like these same 3 chords in all the songs. And I thought, okay, I'm going to make my own. I'm going to make one too. And that's where this sort of came from.
We've been doing for about 15, 16 months now. And we've done maybe 3 or 4 of these candlelight versions of what we do. We like to pick artists who are quite different from us. So when you come into one of the shows, Pam's quite different to me, and then the third artist we pick is generally quite different to us as well. So, and then Yarrow's doing that in spades. I mean, it's working really
song.
Nicely.
I feel special. Like, do you feel special when you came and we were like, okay, I'm special. $20 well spent.
So, in vain of that, I'm greatly influenced by really old music, 1800s generally. So, some may say I remember when it was released, but no. And I love seafaring songs. I don't know if you. So I've actually got a couple of seafaring songs tonight which I wrote. So here's the first one. It's a bit of a ballad about going away whaling. So out of Albany, and it was based on a trip I did to Albany many years ago in Western Australia.
Did you go whaling?
No. Whaling has been banned for many years.
That is
I like whales. I like them toasted or fricassee,
Dear
green,
vegan community.
green curried
Don't
one.
hate him, he knows not what he does.
So this one's about going away whaling, leaving your partner behind.
I heard something else just then.
Big girls need love too.
Yeah.
Oh, the westerly winds will blow as we raise the sails to home from our search for whales in the southern ocean. For my girl, she will be waiting there for me as we sail into the port of Albany. Oh, the winds did roar as we sail from the shore, soon be hunting in the seas of the south. Water its spray freezes, burns our cheeks, hoisted high for the water spout. Harpoon is ready, keep it steady, hunting whales in the Arctic South. Oh, the westerly winds will blow as we raise the sails to home from our search for whales in the southern ocean. For my girl, she will be waiting there for me as we sail into the port of Albany. It's a damn tough life, and I miss my wife, but I'll be home soon if things go right. With 3 young children, another on the way, I'm working hard for a good day's pay. Oh, the westerly winds will blow as we raise the sails to home from our search for whales in the southern ocean. For my girl, she will be waiting there for me as we sail into the port of Albany. As we sail into the port of Albany.
Wow.
Was it sad? Was that a sad one again, or was that a happy song? I'm not.
No, it's just wow. I feel like I had a history lesson. And, I feel like I grew up on a boat with my dad
for a bit in New Zealand. And so hearing Sailor Sea shanties and things like that is really nostalgic.
It's I don't know. There's a romance about the whole going to sea business that they captured beautifully in those old songs, and there's so many. I cover a few as well, but I tend to play the ones I wrote.
That's pretty cool. Well, I don't actually have any songs that I wrote about the ocean. I guess the next best thing is my love, yeah? Love the ocean. Actually, moving to the Clarence Valley is the most landlocked I've ever been in my life. I grew up on the coast, the east coast of New Zealand, and I could never not smell the ocean. Could never not hear the ocean. So coming here was a big change. I landed in Port Macquarie, which was like a fancier version of where I grew up with less volcanoes. And then I picked up a guitar and I went on tour. And eventually, on my first tour, my manager got absolutely rotten drunk. She had the hotel key. And I was lost in Coffs Harbour. So I was like, it's raining cats and dogs, what can I do? And I found the nearest pub, as you do, because tourists, that's why. And my husband's band was playing there. And I couldn't tell the difference. I'd just been to Laneway Festival and seen Prodigy live. You love Prodigy. They had a chick drummer, dodgy looking bass player, and like a dad rock lead guitarist. But they were killing it. They were playing it perfectly. And I'm like, I'm going to pull up a chair and watch this. Didn't actually notice my husband at all that whole show. I was obsessed with the chick drummer. Ducked out in the intermission into the back of the Coast Hotel in Coffs. And I sat down because we were both actually really awkward. The first thing he said to me was, nice tattoo. And if you've ever met my husband, because you can't miss him, he's like covered in tattoos. His face and all. So I thought he was taking the piss. I was like, you've got to few yourself, yeah. 7 years down the track and he convinces me to move to the cane fields. Yeah. Best decision I ever made. But it wasn't without its trials and tribulations. I spent 2 years trying to figure out what was wrong with this man. Yeah. Do you know what? Sometimes there's nothing wrong with them. Sometimes they're just like cocking their head back, holding their own hands, waiting for you to get with the program. That was me. So this one is a song that I wrote about anticipation. Trying to figure out what's wrong with you. Trying to figure out if there's something wrong with me. If it's too good to be true, it usually is. This one's called Patchwork Heart. And it's about how love can fix you. all the things you do, all the very things I would do for you. My patch where I was, fix what I started going on. Yeah, well, it's all because you love me. Oh, it's all because you love me. I don't really know how this thing's supposed to go. No, what it seems you're such a mystery. Oh, it seems I would've cried without you by my side. Ain't no way to hide it. Not disclose my eyes and I love you much. You don't get it for the things we do. Oh, yeah, it's all because you love me. Yeah, it's all because you love me. All because you love me.
You're so good at telling your little stories at the start and talking about it all, whereas I'm just like, I'm just gonna sing and not say anything. No talking, just singing for me.
Just stretching, yeah.
And so I'll just sing now.
Stories in the city, getting all that sweet relief. All I can say, someone from the sky must listen to me. You saved my life, you saved my life, like a shooting star. You realize you saved my life, you saved my life. You saved my life. Now I'm just dancing, my body's a vessel. I've become tarantula.
I'm gonna be the first one to break. Pam and I have a comp to see who breaks to a cover first off, and normally it's pretty evenly, but it's normally 5 or 6 songs in. But because I've got this guitar, I'm gonna swap instruments in a minute. I'm gonna go to a cover early.
Did you make my stool this high? Because yours is like heaps lower than mine.
And I'm still higher than you, I think.
Yeah, I'm just saying. My wine's all the way down there, and there's no way to. Can't do. Okay.
I was mainly concerned about actually
I'm gonna get my drink before you start playing, so I'm not being rude.
I was mainly concerned about getting you up there. That was my biggest concern.
Get me up there. How tall is it? It's like part of me, bro.
You're tangled up. Look what you're doing. What are you doing?
I'm still impressed I didn't set myself on fire this afternoon. Trying to have a go at bicycle. I guess this is me now.
You're completely tangled up. Play backwards for a song. Whippoorwill sing, soft summer breeze, makes me think of my baby. Magnolia, you're sweet. You're driving me mad. Wanna get back to you. Whisper good morning, gently in my ear. I'm coming home to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there. Magnolia, you're sweet. You're driving me mad. Wanna get back to you.